Assalamu alaikum.
I
I am Ibrahim. I am from Bangladesh. I am a teacher. Now I am studying at UNIMAP. My question is, do you have any plan to unite all the Muslim scholars in the same platform? I think it's important because people follow the Muslim scholars. If Muslim scholars are united, then Muslims, general Muslims, gradually united.
The brother asked a very good question, that do I have plans to invite the Muslim scholars on one platform? And you may be aware that I come from Bombay, and in Bombay we had 5 major peace conferences, 3 in Urdu, 2 in English, where we invited the 30 best English scholars on one platform from all over the world: America, Canada, UK, Somalia, Egypt, Sudan, different parts of the world, Saudi Arabia, Malaysia. And it was the largest Islamic conference organized, where we called of different people from different parts of the world. We had twice in English, 2007, 2009, and 3 times we had in English, 2008, 2010, and 2011. And we had more than 1 million people over the 10 days. The conference was so successful that the enemies of Islam, they could not digest it. So much so that they banned the organization. And happy that I'm here because of it. And we had to do the sunnah of the Prophet and do hijrah from India. I'm an Indian. But alhamdulillah, it was the largest in terms of technology, in terms of people attending, alhamdulillah, in the terms of way it was organized. Inshallah, if Allah wills, and if Allah gives an opportunity for me to have such conference in other parts of the world, inshallah it will be my pleasure. Hope that answers the question.